that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, so today I'm coming back with another video. So I got a package and I will be showing you guys this wig that I received. So this is how the box looks. It just says human hair wigs. In the box I received a wig cap, I got a bonnet, pink, my favorite color, that's great. And this is the wig. But this is just a frontal lace wig with already made streaks. This wig is from Africanmall here, so you guys check them out. All the details will be down in my description box. So this wig is 150 density and it's a 24 inch. The hair does feel nice and soft, so that is great. I'm gonna actually put this wig on my sister and I'm gonna curl it, so we'll see how this even reacts to the heat. But it doesn't even look like I need to bleach the knots. This is great. This is great. Like, I'm actually happy about that. Okay, this is a quick and easy one. Quick and easy. I can already tell. Like, I have so much faith in this wig, and if it can actually curl, that's gonna be so bomb. So continue watching and we'll see how this goes. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm just quickly applying this frontal unit on my sister. I did not go in and tweeze this unit. I did not go in and bleach the knots on this unit. This is just how it came. So once I glued the unit down, I'm just going in and removing the excess lace off the frontal. So as you can see here, I'm just going in with this black elastic and I am putting it on her hairline to help lay the frontal down. Now I'm just going in, I'm probably taking every 3 rows, and I am going to be wand curling her hair. So you want to make sure that your pieces that you will be wand curling have no knots, so make sure you comb them out. Here I am just quickly curling her hair with a small wand. So as you can see, I am pulling it off the wand, well, allowing it to drop off the wand, and I'm holding it for a few seconds and then I let it go. So as you can see, each time I wrap the hair around the wand, I am twisting it each time. And once everything is twisted on my wand, I will let go of the hair into my hand. And once that is done, I wait a few seconds and then allow it to dry. So guys, just enjoy the video because this is what I will be doing for her entire head. And once I am done, I I'll show you what I'll do next. Okay, so now that these curls are done being wanded, I am just stretching the hair and pulling the sides of it. And that gives it this more full look that I just love. So as you can see, I'm just stretching the sides, probably 3 times, sometimes 4, depending on the length. And I will be pulling each wanded curl one by one. Well guys, that is the end of this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys also check out Africanmall Hair. All the hair descriptions will be listed down in my description box below. I'll see you guys in the next video.